If you are a letterer or a calligrapher, or if you're starting lettering, this is absolutely a must-have book called Scripts. During the Golden Age, of course, produced by Stephen Heller and Louise Fili, two of the absolute masters, and this has been one of my go-tos for any kind of lettering, label, logo work that's going to be mostly script. There are so many different references in here, as well as full-on fonts or typefaces that were designed in the script style, so you're going to find like full-on alphabets in here for you to use for your inspiration. And I just want to read the back of this while I flip through some of this for you to see. So this is from the two authors, and they said that this book was a labor of passion. Type triggers strong emotions among designers, and why not? The material herein was assembled over 30 years from flea markets, antiquarian bookstores, ephemera auctions, many of which are no longer in operation. We want to thank those dealers who helped us to amass this collection, and we hope that wherever you've gone, the joy of collecting is still with you. Our book is made possible by the enthusiasm of our Thames and Hudson editor, Lucas, who has similar passion for design. Thanks also to Jessica Heesh, John, and Dana at Louise Fili Ltd for their production and design support. We couldn't have done this book without them, and so there was a lot of work that was done to compile all of these works together. And like I said, I can't tell you how many projects that I've used this and a few other reference books on, but this one in particular has some of the absolute most amazing scripts in it that I've ever seen, and they're all categorized loosely. They're categorized loosely from French scripts, British, German, Italian, America, and then further. So we have a whole like kind of contents page here, if I can get it to focus for you. So I've got this one linked down in the description for you to go and find for yourself. I think it's a must-have, even if you're not actively doing any projects right now. This is really going to help you go through and just get better, even if you're just practicing, looking at the scripts themselves, trying your best to produce those kind of letter forms yourself on paper for your practice. Or if you're going to be creating stuff digitally on graphic design software, you can still use this to get inspiration for what you might want it to look like digitally. So again, it's down in the description for you to check out. Let me know what you think of it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.